Hey guys, what's up? All right. Welcome back to Radio Out of Control. Today we got the gasoline conversion kit for the Otto engine, but we're going to go through it. There's a couple of problems I've seen here, at least one, a major one, and there's no instructions, but there is a grid on here where you can scan it with your phone. But anyways, stay tuned, hang out with me today, and we'll just open this thing up and see what's going on here, okay? Alright, we're back. So, you know, the Otto engine there is pretty awesome, and it's a good bargain, you know, for the money. Now this one, you know, it comes nitro, and it has a brushed starter motor on it. The L200s had a brushless starter motor, so there's a difference in the belts there. For you guys that are looking to see what belt goes to what. Now, we're going to open this thing up. I mean, the CDI unit is really, really heavy, and but I looked through this thing a little bit ago there, and I was kind of puzzled. It comes with your flywheel, with your magnets on opposing sides, so you have to change your flywheel. And it comes with your push button starter unit. You just push the button to start it. 2 spark plugs, and your CDI unit. And they give you some boots for your plugs. There's 2 of them there. But that's it in the package. Now the CDI unit is a pretty heavy thing. It does have a scan thing here on the back. I imagine that's for the directions, because it didn't come with any. And the problem I'm running into, it's got the hall sensor on it, but there's no bracket to put it on the engine. So I don't know how that's going to work out, but I'm going to have to look into that or contact them to see what's going on. Now this CDI unit is 8 to 12 volts. So you can't run a 7.2 volt on this thing because it's 8 to 12. And you know, sometimes we like running our 7.4 volts on here, but we may have to run like an 11.1 3-cell to run everything. But like I say, if anybody out there has gotten one of these things and found the directions here, you know, I'm kind of betting these are not going to be in English. They're going to be in Chinese. So, anyways, guys, hit me back if you got any info on this, because I'm going to have to, you know, do some research. But I'm so busy today that I didn't even really have time to do a video. But I wanted to put one up for you guys and let you know that I got my CDI gasoline conversion kit for this, and no hall sensor bracket. So, but anyway, I'm still playing with this, and I'll put up another video on how to run everything. And then the prototype Howland engine, nice engine, but I think I have one coming. That's the production version, and we're going to go over the differences between them. So, anyways, guys, like, share, subscribe if you want. Tell your friends. I'm going to sit here and try to, I got to do some things here today, and I'm going to try to get back tomorrow. I got to do my taxes. That sounds like fun. That's a whole day event. And then get that over with. So I may not have much time to do an updated video on this. But if I get a chance, guaranteed you'll get one. So, all right, guys, later. Love to all.